You can create professional videos without experience, without a camera, without editing skills. You just need AI video generation tools. Today I show you the 5 tools that changed my video workflow completely in 2026. Welcome back to AI with Zulfi. I am Zulfi. 30 years in tech. Today I show you something that democratized video creation. AI video generation. Tools that turn text into cinematic videos in minutes. Let me start with the truth. Professional video used to require 3 things: equipment, skills, time, thousands of dollars in cameras, months of learning editing, hours of production per video. Today, AI changed all 3. Here are the 5 tools that matter in 2026. First, Synthesia. You write a script. Synthesia generates a video with an AI avatar speaking your words. No camera. No acting. Just your script and a digital presenter. Use case, corporate training videos. Newsletter video summaries. Product demos. Time saved, 8 hours per video. Cost, $50 per month. Second, Runway. This tool generates entire video scenes from text descriptions. You describe what you want to see. Runway creates it. Cinematic shots, camera movements, lighting, all generated. Use case, YouTube intros, social media clips, short films. Time saved, 10 hours per video. Cost, $15 per month. Third, Descript. This tool edits video automatically by editing the script. You write your script, record or generate audio. Descript creates the video, finds the best moments, removes silences. Use case, podcast to videos, long form to shorts, conference talks to clips. Time saved, 5 hours per video. Cost, $24 per month. Fourth, 11 Labs video generation. You write a script. Choose a voice. 11 Labs generates a video with voiceover and visuals. Faster than Synthesia. More customizable. Use case, educational videos, course content, newsletter summaries. Time saved, 4 hours per video. Cost, included in subscription. Fifth, HeyGen. Similar to Synthesia but with more avatar options. More natural looking. Better for professional use. Use case, customer support videos, sales presentations, training. Time saved, 6 hours per video. Cost, $20 per month. Now let me tell you which tool to pick first. Do not try all 5. Pick one. Master it. Then add the next one. Most creators fail because they try everything at once. If you are creating corporate or training content, start with Synthesia. If you are creating entertainment or YouTube content, start with Runway. If you already have audio content like podcasts, start with Descript. If you need fast turnaround, start with 11 Labs. Here is the real insight: AI video generation is not about replacing human filmmakers. It is about giving everyone access to professional video. A solo consultant can now create training videos. A course creator can now turn lessons into cinematic content. A newsletter writer can now add video without hiring a videographer. I use 3 of these tools weekly. 11 Labs for newsletter video summaries. Descript for podcast to YouTube conversion. Runway for social media clips. Combined, they save me 15 hours per week. Cost, $70 per month. Savings, value of 15 hours per week of my time. Here is your action plan for this week. First, pick one tool. Second, watch their beginner tutorial. 30 minutes. Third, create one test video. Fourth, see the results. Fifth, decide if you want to keep using it. By the end of this month you will have created 5 videos with AI generation. By the end of this quarter you will have mastered one tool and started a second. By the end of this year you will have your entire video workflow optimized. I am Zulfi. 30 years in tech. I have used every video creation tool. AI video generation is the biggest shift I have seen. It democratized something that used to require professional skills. If I can do it, you absolutely can too. See you in the next one.